Physical education is an integral part of the educational program designed to promote the optimum development of the individual physically, socially, emotionally, and mentally through total body movement in the performance of properly selected physical activities. Objectives of physical education. The following objectives of physical education are viewed and stated in terms of their contributions to the outcomes of education and which justify the existence of physical education in the curriculum. Physical development. Through carefully selected physical education activities, an individual who participates actively will develop and maintain good health at the high level of physical fitness. The acquisition of physical skills can motivate an individual to participate further in physical activities, hence, his growth and development will be enhanced. Social development. Participation in physical education activities provides opportunities for the development of desirable social traits needed for adjustment to the social life in general. Some worthwhile traits are friendliness, cooperation, respect for the rights of others, good sportsmanship, good leadership and followership, honesty in group competition, emotional development. The informal nature of physical education activities offers opportunities for self-expression and emotional mastery. Examples of worthwhile emotional traits are self-confidence, self-control, self-reliance, courage, determination, mental development. Through participation in physical education activities, the individual develops his mental as he learns the mechanical principles underlying movement, as he acquires knowledge and understanding of rules and strategies of games and sports, and as he discovers ways of improving his movements in gymnastics and dance. Physical fitness is the body's ability to function effectively and efficiently without undue fatigue in work, leisure activities, to meet emergency situations and to resist diseases from sedentary lifestyle. Is the ability to perform one's daily tasks efficiently without undue fatigue but with extra reserve in case of emergency. Active recreational activities. Activities that require large body movements such as running, throwing, or jumping, or those that sports specific. Agility. Skill-related component of physical fitness that refers to the ability to start, or accelerate, stop, or decelerate and stabilize, and change direction quickly, while maintaining posture. Body mass index, BMI. A rough measure of body composition that is useful for classifying the health risks of body weight, also based on the concept that a person's weight should be proportional to height, calculated by dividing your body weight, expressed in kilograms, by the square of your height, expressed in meters. Cardiovascular endurance. The ability of an individual to perform prolonged work continuously, where the work involves large muscle groups. Coordination. Skill-related component of physical fitness that refers to the ability to perform complex motor skills with a smooth flow of motion. Eating habits. Patterns of behavior with regards to eating, like choosing available food, preparing it, deciding where to eat, which rules to follow, and who to dine with. FITT formula stands for frequency, intensity, time, and type. Frequency. Part of the FITT formula that refers to number of training sessions that are performed during a given period, usually 1 week. Health-related components of physical fitness. Those components that contribute to the development of health and functional capacity of the body, such as cardiovascular strength, cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. Intensity. Part of the FITT formula that refers to an individual's level of effort, compared with their maximal effort, which is usually expressed as a percentage. Lifestyle. The way in which an individual lives, includes the typical patterns of an individual's behavior, like everyday routine at home, in school, or at work, eating, sleeping, and exercise habits, and many others, are related to elevate or reduce health risk. Non-communicable diseases, NCDs. Diseases that are not passed from person to person, also known as chronic diseases, includes cardiovascular diseases, like enlargement of the heart and hypertension, cancer, chronic respiratory diseases, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma, and diabetes. Physical fitness tests. Tests that gauge your fitness level may be health-related and skill-related. Rate perceived exertion, RPE. An assessment of the intensity of exercise based on how the participant feels, basically a subjective assessment of effort which ranges from 6, very, very light, to 20, very, very hard, with 1-point increments in between. Recreation activities. Activities done during one's leisure time both for relaxation and enjoyment, may require large body movements such as running, throwing, or jumping, or small body movements such as playing board games, doing arts and crafts, and many others. Regular moderate physical activity. Being active for 30 minutes to 1 hour, doing physical activities that elevate your heart rate more than you are used to, being active in most, if not all, days of the week, about 3 to 4 times per week or more. Risk factors. Variables in your lifestyle and genetics that may lead to certain diseases, include age, gender, nutrition, body weight, physical activity, and health habits, etc. Example: stress, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, exposure to tobacco smoke, or the effects of the harmful use of alcohol. Skill-related components of physical fitness. Components that contribute to the development of skills include agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. Time. Part of the FITT formula that refers to time frame of a workout, including warm-up and cool-down, or the length of time spent in training. Type. Part of the FITT formula that refers to mode of physical activity. Warm-up. Preliminary activity done to prepare the body for actual physical activity, can be general or sports specific. Weight gain. Energy consumed is greater than energy expended, more food intake but less physical exertion. Weight loss. Energy consumed is less than energy expended, more physical exertion but less food intake. Weight maintenance. Energy consumed equals energy expended, physical exertion is the same with food intake. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Consumer health encompasses the health information, products, and services being gathered, acquired, and availed by an individual. Health information refers to any concept, idea, data, or figures that may aid to the health status of an individual. Health products refers to materials, devices, or items that an individual purchases to improve health. Examples of these are shampoo, medicine, health electronics, and food. Health services refer to programs offered for the health appraisal of an individual through various treatment, screening, and examinations. Some examples of these are health professionals, facilities, and insurance. Health professionals. Individuals who are licensed to practice medicine and other allied health programs. An example of a health professional is a physician. Physician records the medical history of individuals, provides diagnoses, performs medical examinations, and prescribes medications. Healthcare practitioner is an independent healthcare provider who is licensed to practice on a specific area of the body. Some examples of healthcare practitioners are podiatrists, who specialize in the problems of the feet, dentists, and optometrists. Healthcare facilities. Healthcare facilities are places or institutions that offer healthcare services. Hospital. It is an institution where people undergo medical diagnosis, care, and treatment. Inpatient care refers to care given to individuals who need to stay inside the hospital to receive proper treatment, monitoring, and care. Outpatient care refers to treatment that does not require an individual to stay inside the hospital. Private hospital is operated by individuals to gain profit. Voluntary hospital does not require profit because it is owned by a community or an organization. Government or public hospital is being run by the state and the treatment fees are subsidized. Teaching hospital includes a school for medical students. Walk-in surgery center. A facility that offers surgery without the patient being admitted in the hospital. Health center. The services in a health center cater to a specific population with various health needs. Extended healthcare facility. A facility that provides treatment, nursing care, and residential services to patients, often the elderly. Health insurance is a financial agreement between an insurance company and an individual or group for the payment of healthcare costs. This also may pertain to a protection that provides benefits for sickness and injury. Health Maintenance Organization, HMO, is a healthcare provider that offers medical services that are availed through a prepaid amount of money. It is a business that requires a relatively reduced monthly fee for subscribers. The difference of an HMO with other insurance companies is that it hires or trains its own health professionals and healthcare practitioners. Acupuncture. It is a form of energy medicine where long thin needles are inserted to specific parts of the body to affect the energy flow. It is believed to treat musculoskeletal dysfunctions. Ventosa cupping massage therapy. This procedure is done by placing inverted glasses that have flames from burning cotton on specific points in the body. It is believed to relieve muscle and joint pains. Reflexology. Similar to acupuncture, reflexology focuses on treating specific disorders through massaging of the sole of the feet. Acupressure uses the same technique as that of acupressure, does not use needles but hands to apply pressure on certain points of the body. Nutrition therapy approaches treatment of a medical condition by providing a tailored diet for the patient. Quack is an individual that has little or no professional qualifications to practice medicine. He or she also pretentiously uses meaningless medical jargon and relies on scare tactics, paranoid accusations, and quick fixes. Quackery refers to fraudulent promotion, sales, or advertisement of various products. Medical quackery includes cures, treatments, and remedies of various health conditions that drugless or bloodless in nature. Nutrition quackery involves promotion of food fads and other nutritional practices that claim to be all natural. These are believed to have beneficial properties of multiple plants in one product. Device quackery makes use of miraculous gadgets, such as dials, gauges, electrodes, magnets, and blinkers, that are believed to cure certain health conditions.
Thank you for watching. I hope nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo. Click the subscribe button para updated, mag-like, at mag-comment below. Kung gusto niyo shout out, kung mayroon kayong suggestions at katanungan, just comment below. Maraming salamat po.